Hi everyone, my name is Sincere and thank you for tuning into my channel. I do custom tumblers and today I'm going to show you how I like to strip my tumblers that I have mistakes on. So I use an Exacto knife and a heat gun to strip my tumblers. As you can see, I've showed you here in this video. And the first step is to take my Exacto knife and score a line down the side of my cup from top to bottom. So you see there, I've made a score line with that craft knife, and then I'm just going to apply heat directly to where I made that line with my heat gun. And the trick here is to apply a good amount of heat, especially with your initial score, which here I probably could have applied just a little more heat. That's why you see it kind of took me a little bit to get that knife to really dig in there. But trust me, it works. Sometimes you have to go back and apply a little more heat. Sometimes you get a little more anxious. Sometimes you get parts that just peel up right away. So just keep going there. After you get it to lift some, you can use your hands and kind of peel away at it, like I am doing here. And I'll probably get my knife and go back in and lift it as I go, and lift and peel. That's my method. Sometimes I need to apply more heat as I go, and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I can just keep using my knife. As you see here, I'm just going back in with my knife and peeling it up. And when it gets too tough, I'll get that heat gun and I'll apply some more heat and continue to lift here. So I'll go ahead and fast forward a little bit while I go through this so you can just see my process. Okay, so as you can see, I've pretty much gotten everything off of my tumbler. So now I'm just going to take my sanding sponge and sand it down to make sure that it's smooth to the touch, which it pretty much almost already is. If I do find little parts that aren't smooth, then I'll go back in with my Exacto knife and my heat gun and just scrape it off. Now for me, I'm not going to require this tumbler to be completely bare as if it were brand new, because my new project that I'm going to try is a glitter tumbler, and glitter will hide anything that the stripping didn't take away. But if you do need it to be bare, you can get some acetone and wipe that paint off. I would recommend an industrial strength acetone that you can purchase out of Walmart or Lowe's or any hardware store near the paint section. And use a cotton sponge or paper towel. I prefer cotton balls. It holds the acetone better, and kind of wipe it off. Or you can do what I'm doing here, which is apply more heat and just use your Exacto knife to continue to scrape that paint off just like you did the epoxy. That would take about an additional 5 to 10 minutes all around, which I've done before, and it's not hard, it's not bad. Still rather quick to strip the cup this way, in my opinion. And then I'll just use my sandpaper, some rough sandpaper, to kind of really get it back to that stainless steel if I needed it. But most projects will cover it. Alcohol inks tumblers, you can just sand it down, spray paint it again, and move forward with your new design. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting more basic videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.